Good morning, student. So this class is for fifth standard, and the subject is English. We are taking fifth lesson, that is a letter to the headmaster. Okay. Now you understand the meaning of headmaster. What is headmaster? Means principal. बोलते हो ना, किसी स्कूल के जो head होते हैं, that is called headmaster. So this is the lesson. The following extract has been taken from one of the best known work of R.K. Narayan, Swami and Friends. So this lesson is from the किसके इसे लिया गया है R.K. नारायण. R.K. नारायण एंड उनका कौन सा वर्क था, कौन सा बुक? स्वामी एंड फ्रेंड्स. इस बुक से ये एक्सट्रैक्ट लिया गया है, ये जो लेसन है हमारा. So Swami was a naughty boy who was always in search of excuses to miss school. So who was Swami? Swami was a naughty boy जो क्या करता रहता था, हमेशा स्कूल में ना जाने के बहाने ढूंढता रहता था. So he often put himself in trouble due to this. और इस वजह से वो अपने आप को हमेशा ही किसी न किसी ट्रबल में डाल देता था. So read this excerpt to find what happened when Swami did not want to go to school but had to go because of his father. So this lesson is from this book and it is on the base कि वो किस तरह से when Swami did not want to go to school, वो अपने स्कूल नहीं जाना चाहता था स्वामी, and but had to go, लेकिन उसको जाना पड़ा. क्यों? इसके फादर की वजह से. So now see, let's see the lesson. So lying on bed, Swami realized with a shudder that it was Monday morning. So he was lying on his bed. वो कैसे था? अपने बेड पे पड़ा हुआ था. And Swami realized with a shudder, मतलब अचानक से उसको याद आ गया that it is a Monday. It's not a Sunday, and it was a Monday morning. Okay. Now Monday morning, after the holiday of Sunday, on Monday morning we have to go to school, right? So it looked as though only a moment ago it had been the last period of Friday. So he was thinking, क्या सोच रहा था वो स्वामी? क्या नाम था उसका? स्वामी. स्वामी. So what was he thinking? उसे अभी याद आ नहीं रहा था कि अभी तो जो लास्ट पीरियड था, तो कौन सा डे था? मतलब फ्राइडे का जो लास्ट पीरियड था अभी तो गया है और अभी मंडे आ गया है ना. So he does such type of thinking of his. इस तरह से सोचता था वो. So it looked as though only a moment ago, मतलब अभी कुछ मिनट पहले ही तो था वो लास्ट पीरियड, and already Monday was here, और अभी मंडे आ गया. So he hoped that an earthquake would reduce the school building to dust, but that good building, Albert Mission School, had withstood similar prayers for over 100 years now. So he was thinking, क्या सोच रहा था? उसको ऐसे लग रहा था जैसे that an earthquake would reduce, शायद जब भूकंप आएगा तभी वो स्कूल अभी क्या होगी, मतलब मिट्टी में मिल जाएगी. But that good building, लेकिन वो इतनी अच्छी बिल्डिंग है कि Albert Mission School. What was the name of that school? Albert Mission School. So had withstood similar prayers for over 100 years now. मतलब 100 साल से वो जो बिल्डिंग है, कौन सी बिल्डिंग? Albert Mission School. तो ये बिल्डिंग जो है वो 100 सालों से वहां तक टिकी हुई थी वहां पर. सो कैसे कह सकती है वो, है ना? बट ही वाज ओनली थिंकिंग कि एटलीस्ट आपके भी आने से तो भी उसका स्कूल में जाना बचेगा, है ना? सो at 9 o'clock Swaminathan well. So स्वामी का पूरा नाम क्या था? स्वामीनाथन. ओके. सो at 9 o'clock, तभी 9 बज चुके थे, and he well, बहुत जोरों से वो चिल्ला उठा. Well means चिल्लाना. I have a headache, he said. What did he say? I have a headache. मुझे तो सर दर्द हो रहा है. So his mother said, why don't you go to school in a झटका? Now what is झटका? So his mother said, उसकी मदर ने कहा कि क्यों तुम don't you go to school in a झटका? क्या तुम इसमें स्कूल में नहीं जाना चाहते हो? mother said, why don't you go to school in Jutka? मतलब तुम लंच में क्यों नहीं चले जाते हो स्कूल में? So that I may be completely dead at the other end. So Swami was thinking कि अगर मैं जाऊँगा तो भी मर जाऊँगा कैसे? See, have you any idea what it means to be jolted in Jutka? क्या तुम्हें पता है कि मतलब जुटका यानी लंच में घर पे जाना यानी क्या मतलब हो सकता है इसका? So have you many important lessons today? So क्या तुम्हें स्कूल में कोई important lessons है? So important था that geography teacher has been teaching the same lesson for over a year now. मतलब वो जो geography teacher है वो एक ही lesson same lesson पूरे साल भर पढ़ाते हैं. And we have arithmetic which means for a whole period we are going to be beaten by the teacher important lessons. और हमारा जो है arithmetic का पीरियड है which means जिसका मतलब क्या होता है for a whole period we are going to be beaten by the teacher. मतलब पूरे पीरियड में वो हमें क्या करते रहते हैं बस मारते रहते हैं. So important lessons के नाम पे. And mother generously suggested. तो फिर mother ने फिर से suggest किया that स्वामी might stay at home कि स्वामी जो है वो घर पे रुक सकता है. So at 9:30 when he ought to have been shouting in the school prayer hall. So at 9:30 जब उसने हेडेक का बहाना बनाया था तब कितने बजे थे? 9 बजे थे. Now this is 9:30. अभी 9:30 बज चुके थे. And when he ought to have been shouting in the school prayer hall. अभी वो कहाँ पे रहता 9:30 को? स्कूल के प्रेयर हॉल में रहता अगर वो स्कूल में होता. So स्वामी was lying on bench in mother's room. लेकिन स्वामी कहाँ पे था? अपने मदर के रूम में था जो बेंच पे पड़ा हुआ था. And his father asked him, and at that time his father asked him, have you no school today? क्या तुम्हें आज स्कूल नहीं है? So headache, स्वामी replied. तो स्वामी replied again, I have headache. मुझे बहुत ही ज़्यादा सर दर्द हुआ है. His excuse and headache. Swami replied, nonsense. Dress up and go. Who said this? His father said, nonsense. Just dress up and go. तो अभी के अभी रेडी हो जाओ और स्कूल में जाओ. Headache. Loaf about less on Sundays and you will be without a headache on Monday. मतलब तुम संडे सारा दिन खेल रहे थे कुछ भी नहीं था सब कुछ अच्छा था और जैसे ही मंडे आया तुम्हें हेडेक है. So maybe his father knew his excuses always. So Swami knew how stubborn his father could be. स्वामी को पता था कि उसके फादर कितने ज़्यादा hard, strict है. So and changed his tactics. और वो कभी भी अपने जो एक बार कह दिया सो कह दिया. He never ever changed his tactics. I can't go so late to the class. मैं इतना लेट तो नहीं जा सकता हूँ क्लास में. अगर चला जाऊँगा तो फिर से पनिशमेंट मुझे ही होगी. So I agree, but you will have to. मैं मानता हूँ लेकिन फिर भी you will have to go to school. His father said. So it is your own fault. लेट जाना it is your own fault. तो तुम्हारी गलती है. You should have asked me before deciding to stay away. मतलब घर में रुकना था. You should have to take me permission from me. मुझसे तुम्हें परमिशन लेनी चाहिए थी. मुझसे पूछना चाहिए था. So what will the teacher think if I go so late? अगर मैं इतना लेट जाऊँगा तो टीचर क्या सोचेंगे? So tell him you had a headache and so are late. So his father said, tell your teacher that you have a headache and so you are late. So you understand till this? Okay, the next part I will tell you in next week.